going on here, bro? What you doing over there?
Dude, I'm changing the intake.
What are you talking? Carbon fiber, bro? Sheesh.
Yeah, look at this thing, bro. This is embarrassing.
Some 80s chrome, dog. I like it, man. The dual intake. It doesn't that give you more power with two intakes?
So it's a little bit cleaner than it was.
Look at this thing.
Hey, throw that thing away.
No problem.
I don't want it. I don't want it. Throw it away.
Ready to garbage, dude.
I don't want it.
Ready to pieces.
No, I said no more pieces. These are good pieces here. I just gotta grab this one here and clean it up there. All right, got the car in here. I'm going to change the core support because these guys in the Copart yard destroyed mine. Yeah, it looks a little cockeyed to me. What do you say? We got the side moldings off. My buddy Armando's gonna do a ceramic coat and polish. He offered to do it, so why not? Since all the scratches and stuff that the car has. Oh yeah. All right, so here's an update. Ooh, look at those new lights. Yeah. There you go. I had to do a little stitch here to fix the bumper. All right. Yeah, that versus that. Crap.